Hello everyone, myself Maruti, welcoming you all to Ram Maruti Tutorials. So in this video, I'm going to discuss a few concepts regarding laws of exponents. In this laws of exponents, the main concept what I have chosen is simplification part. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to take the help of laws of exponents and I'm going to simplify the simple and beautiful laws of exponents simplification. Let us get back to the simplification part now. So let us go for this one. Now the concept, we are going to play with laws of exponents with simplification. So let us go with what is the meaning of simplification. So you please remember, always remember what is the meaning of simplification. The concept, what is nothing but simplification means making as small as possible, making as small as possible. This is the meaning of the word simplification, making as small as possible. This is the point what we have to remember now. So now already our first sum is already ready waiting for us now. So see the question there. 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 whole divided by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 to the power of minus 1. This is what we are supposed to use in a logical way, the laws of exponent. But before that one, a small trick. What is that? So simply make the like terms at the same place. Make the like terms. Whichever of the like terms, bring them to one place. Make the like terms at one place. Right. That is the concept what I am doing now. So which are the like terms? If you check it out, 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power of minus 2. They both are of the same category. They are the like terms. I like to bring them at one place, 2 to the power 2. I like to pull the 2 to the power of minus 2 underneath this into now 3 to the power 2 and 3 to the power of minus 1. So you might be seeing what I have done there. I have brought all the like terms at one place. Okay, now if you check it out, so this concept, this concept, if you check it out, it's looking like a to the power m by a to the power n equals a to the power m minus n. It's right. But please remember, always the smaller power should reach the bigger power, right? Here, the bases are 2 and 2. This is 2 and this is 2. The power what we are having is 2 here and we are having power as minus 2. Which is the smaller one? Minus 2 is always the smaller one. That take it to the numerator. That is what I am doing here. 2 to the power 2. The minus 2 went to the top and became plus 2. Of course, into 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power minus 1. So what is the formula what I have applied? You can see this one here. Now let us come to the next simplification. Now we know one more formula, that is a to the power m into a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. This is simple way. In the simple way we can say that if bases are equal, yes, see here, base and base are equal, and if we are having product in between, then the power should be added. That is what the simple logic what we have to remember. If the bases are equal and in between product is there, then the power should be added. That is m plus n. That is the logic what we have. So here if you simplify, it is 2 to the power 4. But here I am talking about this concept now. 3 to the power 2 plus minus 1. That is what we have done. Now 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2 minus 1. Take 2, take away 1. It becomes what's 1. Now 2 to the power 4, you all know it's nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It's nothing but 4 times. It's nothing but 2 2 4, 4 2 8, 8 2 16. Right? And we know 3 to the power 1 means only 3. So the answer is 48. This is how what we are going to simplify. Right? Hope you got it. Now let's work on with one more question which is waiting for us. So that's the question is, you know, a to the power minus n equals 1 by a to the power n. We should not have negative power there. Before that one, let's do one thing. Let us bring the 6 to the power minus 1 as it is saying divided by to the numerator, that is 4 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 whole divided by 6 to the power minus 1. What did I do? as it is saying divided by, I brought it to the denominator. That's it. Now, as I have said, this is the formula what we are using, right? If we have negative power, the one which is in the numerator should be shifted to the denominator, and the one which is in the denominator should be shifted to the numerator. So what I am doing, see here, the 6, I am taking it to the numerator, that is 6 to the power plus 1. Now, the 4s and 3s that I am pulling to the denominator. So 4 to the power 1 into 3 to the power positive 1. So the negative powers, it became positive powers. Now if you simplify, 6 to the power means 6 and 4 into 3, we can't, no need to write for there. So 6 by 12, and if you simplify 6 ones and 6 twos, it's nothing but 1 by 2. So this is how what we are going to deal with the simplification of these two. Okay, now let us get back to a few more sums, simplifying the concept, right? Let's go for that one. Here clearly he's saying, he is asking the same simplification part, and he's asking us to give the reasons also. Of course, the same thing, writing all the laws of exponent is nothing but giving reason. Now let us explain with the first sum given to us. 4 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power minus 1. Here, this is the simplification part. Now we know anything to the power 0 equals 1. It may be 2 to the power 0, it may be 4 to the power 0, anything. It is nothing but what you are supposed to remember. Now, 4 to the power 0, straight away it is becoming 1 plus, and as we know, we are using the formula. If we are having a to the power minus 10 equals 1 by a to the power n, that is the formula which I am applying here. It becomes 1 by 5 into 5 to the power 2 into 1 by 3. This is the thing what we are having. But please remember, these two, they are in the parenthesis there. They are in one parenthesis. So let us, according to the BODMAS rule, you know, we are supposed to simplify inside the bracket first. So this is the bracket what we have. Yes, inside the bracket, let us simplify. That is the rule what we are saying. Now, as we all know, whenever we have numerator and denominator and we are supposed to add them, the simple way is taking LCM. I repeat, whenever we are having numerator and denominator and we are supposed to add or subtract, we have to take LCM. That is what we are doing here. In the parenthesis, as BODMAS rule says, we have to solve inside the bracket first level. So I am taking LCM, right? So now if there is no one at the bottom, it's nothing but 1. Let me take LCM. What should be multiplied to 1 to get 5? You have to remember, we have to multiply with the 5. Now that 5 you multiply to the numerator. 1 into 5, it becomes 5. Now what is the sign in between? It's nothing but plus. Now the second question, what should be multiplied to 5 to get 5? Again, we have to multiply with 1. That is 5 multiplied with 1 will become 5. Now that one you multiply to the top. Now 1 into 1, it becomes 1. Now inside the bracket, still we are simplifying. 6 by 5 into 5 squared into 1 by 3. Now everything is in terms of product. Why? Because bracket is also, parenthesis also bracket. Now let us simplify. If you check it out, 3 ones and 3 twos. So what is left over? 2 by 5 into 5 squared. This is left over. Now let us bring all the like terms together. That is 2 into 5 squared divided by 5. So the 5's and 5's, I brought it to one family. Now let me simplify here. If you check it out, 2 into, you know, if you don't have any power, it's nothing but 1. Now take that 1 to the numerator because we are using the formula a to the power m by a to the power n equals a to the power m minus n. If you want to tell in simple words, if we are having bases the same, right, and if we are having divided by in between, then the powers should be subtracted. You can check it out. I repeat, if bases are equal and in between division is there, then the power should be subtracted. That is what we are doing. 5 to the power 2 minus 1, which equals 2 into 5 to the power 1, which is nothing but 10. This is how we have simplified with the help of reasons. Now let us go for one more question. So simple question, that is, just now I said to you a to the power minus n equals 1 by a to the power n. So what means, if we are having negative power minus 3 minus 3 minus 3, simple logic, make it reciprocal. So the numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes numerator, and simply the power becomes positive. See here the tricky way, 1 by 2, whatever we are having here, the 1 by 2 present here, I am making it as reciprocal. I am writing it as 2 by 1, and the negative, I am converting it as positive. That's the simple trick what you have to remember. Now let me go for the second one. What we said, the 1 by 4 what we are having, right? Write the reciprocal 1 by 4, converting it as 4 by 1, and simply the negative 3 you convert it as positive 3. This is the simple logic. Now in the same way, go for the third one, 1 by 5 converted as 5 by 1, and the power negative 3, the power negative 3 converted as positive 3. This is the simple one. Now this is the rule what we are having. Now it is nothing but 2 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3. Now let us simplify. 2 to the power 3, you know it is 2 into 2 into 2, which is nothing but 8. Yes. Now 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 16, 16 fours, it's nothing but 64. Right, in the same way it's 135. So that's the way you have to simplify that. That's the homework what I am giving to you, guys. This is how I am simplifying the stuff for you, which can make you better understand the concept. Right, good. Now let's go for the other sum to explain you the simple concept. So see here, just now I explained you 2 to the power minus 1 becomes 1 by 2. 3 to the power 1 by 3 becomes 1 by 3, and here it is nothing but 1 by 4. Of course, what it is saying, it is nothing but 3 by 4. What we are doing, a to the power of minus n became 1 by a to the power n. Now take LCM inside. So what's the LCM for 2 comma 3 comma 4? It's nothing but 2 goes 1s, 3 and 2s. Again 2 goes 1, 3 and 1. Again 3, 1, 1 and 1. If you multiply all these 3, what we are getting? 2 2's 4, it's nothing but 12. The LCM is nothing but 12. Now, what should be multiplied to 2 to get 12? It's nothing but into 6. That take away to the top. It's nothing but 166. Now take the sign here, it's plus. Now what should be multiplied to 3 to make it 12? It's nothing but into 4. That you multiply to the top. 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 6, 4 plus. Now in the same way, what should be multiplied to 1 to make it to a 4 to get 12? It's nothing but into 3. You multiply to the top. 1 3s are 3. Of course, 3 by 4. Right. Now if you check it out, it's 13 by 12 into 3 by 4. What you can cancel it here? It's 3 1s, 3 4s. It's nothing but 13 by 16. This is the simplification part. Now let's go for the fourth one or the sixth one what we are having. We are having the formula a to the power m whole to the power n equals a to the power mn. In the same way, 3 by 2 whole to the power, the powers, this is the first power, this is the second power. Let's multiply them, negative 4. Now, just now I said the trick, right? If we want to take the negative power, that is a to the power of minus m equals as a to the power m, simply reciprocal the inside stuff. Either 3 by 2, you change it as 2 by 3 whole to the power of 4. Now, as you all know, a by b whole to the power m equals, we have to take it to the board. It's nothing but a to the power m. So 2 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. Now let us simplify. 2 into 4 times we are multiplying, and here we are multiplying again 4 times. So what is that? 2 2's 4, 8, 16 by 81. This is the way we are going to simplify. Guys, hope you understood what I am simplifying. By using laws of exponents, we have simplified many stuff. Hope you understood that one. Thank you.
In this channel, I have been placing both math and science videos.